Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. Another part for my new PC build from Corsair, power supply RMX series, RM1000X, high performance ATX power supply, full modular, 80 plus gold with a 10 years warranty. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it, install it to my new PC build. Wow, so many cables. Zip ties for cable management and screws. 4 screws. Safety and compliance information. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. And there's the power supply on a beautiful black color. I like it. Corsair RM1000X. Silent operation at low to moderate loads. In this mode the fan will not spin. Perfect, I like that. At the back we have the connection for the power cord and the on-off switch. It has an over voltage protection, under voltage protection, short circuit, over temp and over power protection. The length it is 150mm by 180mm and high 86mm. It has a low noise magnetic levitation fan bearing technology. And let's remove the protective film. Corsair logo. Now let's move on and see all these cables. But before that, let's check in the power cord. I like the thickness. Wow, good quality. It is about 1.5 meters. Connection for the socket and for the power supply. Perfect. Oh my god. Oh, and they smell so well from the factory. We have the ATX cable 24 pin, 3 EPS ATX 12 volt 8 pin 4+4 for the CPU, 3 of these cables. The length it is 65 cm with a thickness 10 mm. The length for the 24 pin it is 61 cm. Next we have 3 PCI Express cable 8 pin 6+2. And the length it is 75 cm with a thickness 10 mm. 3 of these cable. And next we have SATA cable right angle, 3 connections with a length 75 cm. 3 connections here with angle and the connection to the power supply. 2 cables, and the larger it is the 4 SATA right angle with a length 85 cm. So many connections. 2 of these cables. And last we have another 2 cables. Peripheral cable 4 pin. And the length it is 75 cm, 10 mm thickness, power supply connection and 4 connections. That all are included at the box. So 1000 watt power supply, I think it will handle the demand for my PC. Don't forget, we have the connections here. Motherboard, PCI Express and CPU, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. SATA and PATA, we have another 6 connections. Total we have 14 connections. I like it. Plenty of connections, I'm sure it will handle all the load from my PC. I have the Intel Core i9-13700K processor, so it has a high demands for power. I didn't decide which graphic cards I will buy. I think the RTX 4070 Gaming or Eagle from Gigabyte. I will check again and see which card I will buy. I think it will handle the load and for the graphics card. I have searched online. There are many online sites that helps you decide which is the best power supply for you. You can enter all the PC parts and then it will tell you which power supply you can buy, what load you have. And here we have some informations. So stay tuned, more parts are coming, and the final video will be my PC build. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.